Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
If your device won't start after an update, start by restarting it. If that fails, boot into safe mode to troubleshoot. Use System Restore to revert to a point before the update, or run fsc/scannow on Windows to fix corrupted files. As a last resort, consider a factory reset, but remember to back up your data first.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.